Sun City, Sun City. The light makes the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing him a no ye. He call you no ye. He walk at them all. Tesuku, Maza Maza, Yisuku Kaba Kaba. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Place your lamp on the table for us to see. Sun City, Sun City. Let your light shine on every land and sea. Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City.
Letter of summons. I am by this letter formally inviting you to my office on the 24th October 2005 at 2 p.m. sharp. The subject of discussion will be your non-appearance at the Interim Investigative Committee and the consequences thereof. I will strongly urge you to attend this meeting and be punctual too. The impudence of a cockroach. We shall see who is who. Nobody below my age then send me this type of letter.
Daddy, were you calling me?
Should I have to call you before you realize you must bring me food?
Is everything alright? I thought
Get there quickly and do your job, girl.
I thought I heard you talking earlier.
This looks like Sylvester's car. I'm sure he's there with quotation.
I like the pair. They bond well. It allows one to sleep more soundly, knowing they are capable hands to fill in if need be.
Exactly the point. I mean, one needs to attract quality people so that they can make a difference. You guys are really helpful. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Can I give you anything to drink?
No, thanks.
Okay. Then I'll go and call my dad.
Please.
Yeah! Agree. Go there. Agree. Kote. Yeah. Yeah.
Daddy.
Hey.
Open the door, Daddy.
Agree. Kote. Kote, Aliwa. What is it?
Daddy.
What do you want?
Open the door, Daddy.
For what? What do you want?
Dr. Exxon is here to see you.
Tell him I'll be there soon.
Daddy,
What is it?
you still doing that thing, huh?
What thing?
Oh, come on, Daddy. This is not the end of this matter.
End of what? Get out and shut up!
Come on, Daddy. It's not the end of this matter. But for now, it can rest. My dad will be with you shortly. I'll be in the kitchen then.
Thank you.
Alright, okay.
What is this? Are you Kakamu to me?
This is no laughing matter, my friend.
Are you suffering from chicken pox?
Do you know there is a spiritual realm in life?
I believe in God.
But do you also know Satan exists?
What's the meaning of this? A summons to the darker side of life? In any case, I came here because of that ignominious call you made to me. What's the meaning of that call?
Tell those your friends that they are playing with fire. I, Kreponi, Jakwata, Amasase, I'm not to be toyed with.
Which friends?
The people who have the nerve to try me in this university. The later day doctors who think they know so much. They seek my downfall.
Oh, I see. I get it. You are frightened by the recommendations of the interim investigative body. The one that you refuse to attend with impunity.
I have given my warning.
If you are referring to Sylvester and the others, my advice, tell them yourself.
I will! With devastating form. Because you are my friend. I don't want you to be caught in the crossfire.
I see you are in a world of your own. But my advice to you, get to the root of this problem and shed off this comical garb.
You are lucky, but the others won't be.
What a boring lecture. I nearly slept. Couldn't believe it. All he did was to copy from his notes. No explanations, no elaborations, no discussion. Just read and copy, and copy.
Nice, sorry. Hey, is this man still here?
Prof. Tetteh, why?
Don't you know he has been sacked?
What?
Come on. Where are you? Wake up. It's all over the place.
It's now my issue.
Oh, yes. You know Amanda's sister works at the registry. I heard her telling the girls this morning. Oh.
Oh, man. What's his charge?
Gross abuse of power. You remember the petition by the students at the maths department?
Yes.
Exactly.
Oh.
That is it.
This is too bad.
Hey. Don't feel sorry for him. He has got his just reward. I learned he has been terrorizing students over the years in school.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, hello.
Hello, sir.
Now there is a lecturer. Firm but understanding.
I can't agree more. He's so full of empathy. It's time for us to depart, okay? I have sociology, so see you later.
Okay. Bye, baby.
Bye.
These are the University Council's decision concerning Professor Abednego Tetteh. 1. That he begin forthwith a 1-semester suspension. 2. That he be made to attend a course in educational psychology at his own cost, but monitored by the university before reinstatement. That he be made to write letter of apology to the interim investigative body for his non-appearance at the sittings. And to cap it all, he will be on probation for 1 year after reinstatement, during which inspectors will monitor his lectures.
Well said to the letter, sir, and rightly too. The case of Professor Tetteh and his attitude towards students and his colleagues alike has been extensively catalogued. And it is absolutely essential that we take a firm position on this for the good of this university.
Thank you very much for your support and strength.
You're welcome, sir.
Now, everything lies with you.
Okay, sir. Then I will proceed to get the letter written and brought to you for signing.
That's all right.
Okay, sir. But, sir, what if he fails to comply?
No, he can't afford to do that. This is University Council decision, and he cannot joke with it.
Okay, then. Well, that's it, sir. I'll be back shortly, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Where are the others?
They all left.
One more.
Well, I don't know.
Now, tell your friends that you've all failed. You have to resit this course next semester.
But, sir, you...
What? Your nonsense parents have not trained up you well. You come here and give us problems.
Hello, Prof. Tetteh.
What do you want?
I've been asked to deliver this. It's from the Provost's office.
And so what? Look at the baby face. Look at the moppish something head there. horses here. Why? Have you seen a ghost?
I came out looking for you.
Oh, what if I was a thief?
I heard your voice.
You heard my voice. What have you cooked for me?
I didn't know you were going to come now.
What? And you say you are ready to marry? Huh? Come on, hurry up and get me something to eat now. And be snappy.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, so that is the end of it. Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. So you have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Who was that? You don't look happy.
The Pro-Vice Chancellor. He called to tell me about the sanction the council had imposed on Professor Tetteh.
Is it a sack?
No. He's been suspended for a semester and is to undergo a psychiatric evaluation before being reinstated. And again, take a course in educational psychology.
You're kidding. You're kidding.
No.
Is that why you have a pale countenance?
No, it's just that my name is being bandied around. Look, if it's a report, it's a report. But Agre's report, I mean...
You have a problem with doing your work?
Of course not.
So stop whining. Professor Tetteh is one of the most oppressive and degenerative elements on campus. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with being part of the process that corrects the wrong. Oh, okay. All right. You're scared about his...
No, I'm not. Look, I'll always do what my conscience tells me is right. And so God help me. I'm a bit worried, you know. The same mindset is not what we have around here.
You want to do what is right, huh? Then God help us all. For progress to be made, martyrs like you must be born.
You seem to be full of patriotic fervor today.
Yes. Yenara, Yenasasini.
What? The nerve to suspend me? Now, blood will flow! I said blood will flow! Which Yati? Which Yati? That will flow.
Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine